All right. Hi, everyone. I'm Nicholas Jeans from Hike 2, more popularly known as just Jeans, the pair of pants that I'm sure you're all familiar with. I'm an architect slash developer slash I work with computers, etc. And I'm here to talk a little bit about internal innovation, particularly when it comes to a organization's forms of communication. So we'll start right off the bat with something that we're all familiar with, and it's what we look for most in a job. So what do you all look for when you're looking for a job? Rhetorical question, it's compensation. Don't lie to yourselves. You're looking to get paid. But what are you looking for? Second place, it's probably flexibility, as it turns out. And what does flexibility mean? There's a lot of different things that come into flexibility. It can mean hybrid work. It can mean you're full remote. I can go work in a coffee shop if I feel like it. I love that. But it can also mean, what are the tools that I'm given to actually do my job? So that's sort of what we're going to break into a little bit today. How much effort and mental capacity is just destroyed by monotony, like writing or responding to an email? Maybe you're even trying to find the email you're trying to reply to, right? You're trying to request PTO. You're trying to do something like delivery or, just find someone for a project, anything like that. There's a way you can make that better, or even in some cases, just not do it, right? That sounds fantastic. Speed nowadays is a classic part of competition. It's part of everything. Whoever's the fastest gets the deal, right? That's a big part of just selling and consulting, right? Who makes the bid first? Awesome, we're in. It can pay to be just a little bit introspective, though, in a company like this. How can we make ourselves faster? How can we make ourselves more productive, all these buzzwords that everyone loves to hear in business talks. How can I be faster, productive, etc.? Innovating, it turns out, internal processes breeds further innovation. Try saying that 5 times fast, I can't. Centralize, automate, and innovate is what we're looking to do. And where does Slack come in? Well, that's going to be the vehicle where we're looking to do those 3 things with today. So I don't represent Slack. All of my thoughts, beliefs, words are my own. I do not work for them, anything like that. That's just going to be our example today as a tool that helps us achieve all of these values that we looked at on the previous slide. So in terms of strengths, keep conversations out of the email inbox, right? We're looking for structure in our communication. We can make a bunch of project channels, for instance. We can have threads. Organized communication makes everyone happier, right? Don't bother making that email filter or inbox tab that you're not going to use. You're just putting it there so those emails go out of sight and you never read them again. It gives organization and structure to this communication. Like I said, project channels are an example. We have a new RFP. Let's make a channel for that. RFP over, it's gone. We're done with it. We have a clean set of communications, and we can keep it that way. No messy inbox, just what I need at that moment. We're taking advantage of stuff like app integration. So a big thing that Slack sells as a value is the idea of a digital headquarters, right? That's what they coin it as. It's a place where you can do all of your work at once, right? It's where everything integrates. It's where everything sends you a message. You send a message back. It's supposed to be that central location where all your work's getting done. That's another value of productivity and speed. And then, most important of all, and I fall a little bit short of this, but educate your users, right? The tool is only as good as the people who use it. Make sure that they know how valuable this type of innovation is to them. It's easy enough to talk about innovating for your clients. That's where the revenue is, right? But like I said, it pays a little bit to be a little introspective. So educate your users. Give them knowledge on the tools that they're using, not just Slack, it could be anything, and they'll bring that value out, like nothing. It'll be a subconscious thing for them. Snags, of course, though, we're looking to, we can only be as good as our users, like I said, so don't let those cobwebs build up. Like I said with the RFP example, once you're done with the channel, get rid of it. Don't make it just another email inbox that you hate looking at. You left half the things unread because I don't actually bother with that anymore. Keep it clean and educate your users to do the same. Don't keep it all about business. Have, like at Hike 2, and this is a Hike 2-centric conference, so at Hike 2, we have channels like for cooking. What did we cook for dinner tonight? It looks delicious. How can I get some of that? That's a channel. There's where did we go hiking? Pun intended. Where did we, go for a vacation? Where did we get wet? Etc. All that kind of stuff. it builds these relationships in a now, virtual workplace for almost every company. That's a huge strength that you really need to take advantage of with a tool like this. And then, finally, don't just set and forget it. It takes a village to maintain something like this, and it needs everyone's input and adoption. Keep everyone engaged, teach them how to use the tool, and they'll love it. All about internal innovation. Doing this kind of stuff will bring that innovation back from your own internal business out to your customers and everyone around you. Thank you.